Walk-in showers have become a popular feature in modern bathrooms. Offering both aesthetic appeal and practicality, they are a topic of much interest for homeowners and designers alike, making them interested in the pros and cons of walk-in showers. Walk-in showers offer a modern, accessible design with easy maintenance, but can be costly and require more space. They risk water spillage and may feel less warm, lacking privacy compared to traditional enclosed showers. Let's look at the pros and cons of walk-in showers, providing insights and essential information like which shower remodel services to employ to help you make an informed decision. Overview of walk-in showers. Walk-in showers are a modern bathroom feature characterized by their open and accessible design. Unlike traditional showers that are often enclosed by a door or curtain, walk-in showers are easily accessible, usually featuring a minimalistic barrier or no barrier at all. This design not only contributes to a sleek and contemporary aesthetic, but also makes them particularly suitable for people with mobility issues. The floor of a walk-in shower is typically at the same level as the bathroom floor, eliminating the need for a step or raised threshold. This seamless transition not only enhances safety by reducing trip hazards, but also gives the bathroom a more spacious and open feel. The absence of a door or curtain allows for easier movement in and out of the shower area. In terms of customization, walk-in showers offer a wide range of design options. They can be tailored to fit various sizes and styles of bathrooms, from compact to expansive spaces. The shower area can be defined by different materials like glass panels, tiled walls, or even left entirely open in some designs. Advantages of walk-in showers. Walk-in showers offer several advantages that make them a popular choice in modern bathroom design. Aesthetic appeal, accessibility and safety, customization and flexibility, ease of cleaning and maintenance, enhanced shower experience, water efficiency, increased home value. Disadvantages of walk-in showers. While walk-in showers offer numerous benefits, there are also some disadvantages to consider. Higher cost, complex installation, water spillage and containment, heating and warmth, privacy concerns, space requirements, resale considerations. Comparative analysis between walk-in showers and traditional showers. This comparative analysis between walk-in showers and traditional showers highlights the differences, advantages, and disadvantages of each, helping homeowners make informed decisions based on their specific needs and preferences. Walk-in showers versus traditional showers. Design and aesthetics, space and layout requirements, accessibility and safety, installation and cost, water containment and cleanliness, resale value, personal comfort and privacy. Concluding thoughts. Walk-in showers offer a blend of aesthetic appeal, practicality, and accessibility, making them a popular choice in modern bathroom design. While they come with their own set of pros and cons, understanding these can help you make an informed decision that suits your lifestyle and preferences.